Hey everybody, Alan Jones here from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions, and today I will be showing off this 1990 Holden HSV SSVN Group A Commodore. This genuine Holden Commodore is build number 108. This beast of a car is running a 5 litre V8 engine matched with a 6-speed manual transmission, indicating 91,230 kilometres on the clock. This Holden Commodore Group A is a must-have in any classic car collection. This immaculate classic will be going under the hammer on Saturday, March the 26th from 10 AM. For more information, visit lloydsauctions.com.au or give us a call on 1800 456 588. Happy bidding, good luck to you.